celebrate natin itong Gong Festival, let's always remember na every time you're dancing a bit, every time naggagansan tayo at sumasayaw, it's not only calling the community, hindi lang yung mga kasabay natin sa sumasayaw, hindi lang yung mga neighboring villages, pero we're also calling mga gods up there to join us, di ba? And so when I try to invoke Inabian, ilang araw na namin dadasalan si Inabian para sana ma-postpone yung bagyo, hindi yung ma-postpone yung ating Gong Festival. By the way, today, nag-uumpisa na while we're having our Gong Festival, sa kabila ng mundo, ay nag-uumpisa na yung Climate Change Conference. All over the world, lahat ng mga